Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. It's your boy Dorian, aka We Lit, and today everyone, we have Snack Crate, as you can see right here. And if you want to know more information about it, I'm going to put a picture right here, and a couple pictures show everything. And we're going to be trying these, so here we have the box right here. Has all the snacks inside. And like I said, these are from Hawaii, and there's a bunch of information right here, which I would show pictures. So let's try these. So which one are we going to do first? This is, I don't know what this is. There's information in here.
Yep.
What the? It's not even in here. This is not.
Well, we just got a special one that's not on the menu.
Okay, let's try this.
How's this smell?
Looks like a sponge cake.
I'll take a bite from this side. Oh! Oh!
It's like a.
This is not good.
Mm-mm.
Ah! This is bad. This is not good.
I'll give that a 0 out of 10.
And this is 0.
I give it a 0 too.
This is not good.
It's very dry.
Ugh.
Not good.
That was bad. Next we have is Hawaiian Prezi.
Looks like pretzels.
Pretzel.
Pineapple flavored.
Oh, that's pretzel. That's how you spell pretzel. Where's the L?
They're just called Pretz.
Oh. These better be good.
Pineapples.
They also have coffee flavor.
Comes in another package. Hopefully these are good. I like pineapple, so one of my favorite fruits. So here we go.
Do you like pineapple flavored things?
Yeah, soda. I didn't try any food. I tried candy.
They kind of have a little bit of sourness to them.
These are good.
What would you rate these?
A 6.
I give them a 4.
A 6. Well, I love pineapple, so well, not pineapple pizza, but I hate pineapple pizza. Like, really hate it.
I'll give them a solid 5.
They're
Okay.
good. I'll give them 6.
So we got 2 in the cookies.
So far, this is the best thing, but we only had 2 things.
Okay. It's like seasoned powdered with pineapple flavorings.
Then we have candy, bread, and this is what it looks like.
That looks good.
They're Hawaiian cookies.
Smells good. What it looks like.
It's almost like an animal. An animal cookie frosted.
They're okay. They're okay. They're okay. They're okay. 4 out of 10.
They're a good snack. I would give
You
these a
give it a
6.
4?
I would
Yeah.
give these 6, 7.
I like the
6.5.
I like these better, but
It's kind of like a shortbread cookie.
Yeah.
it tastes like
with lemon flavors.
it tastes like when you added those animal cracker cookies we used to have with the sprinkles on it with a cookie.
We're gonna give that a 6 though.
Okay. That overall, the overall is what the thing is. That's what we're doing in this video. And then these are, what does that say?
So those are jalapeno. So
Jal-
jalapeno flavored.
Jalapeno chips. Look.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Hulu mixed with jalapeno.
I don't know. Here we go.
Get a little Hulu.
How do you open these? It just looks like a jalapeno chip that I had at Subway today, so. It tastes more jalapeno-y than the chips we have here.
I normally don't like jalapeno chips very much, but I like these a lot actually.
And they're almost kettle cooked.
Mm.
Those, I'll give those a 9.
An 8. What'd you give it?
I'll give it an 8.
Okay.
They're gluten free.
Okay.
Next we have is, what the? Rainbow Bites.
These are a product of Spain.
But they're sold in Hawaii.
But they're sold in Hawaii.
I'm trying to open these all the way. Just so you can get the strip out. These remind me of those sour strings that we have from Airhead in America.
Hawaii's in America.
It's okay.
In the United it is. In the main states.
So
It's like,
rather than it being sour, it's
They're
more
gross.
kind of like a
That was trash can.
tart.
These are gross.
oh yeah.
These are disgusting.
Yeah, it's more like a tart flavor.
I would give that a 0.
I'll give them a 3.
It's probably not done.
I'm not really a fan of Rainbow Belts in the first place.
See, I like the other ones, but those aren't very good.
So what y'all want to average these at?
We'll
say a 3.
We'll just say a 3
Okay.
because I'm very
Okay,
picky.
We'll call it a
Oh.
Because he's not picky, so a 3. So if we all have different ones, then we'll just pick the one she said.
So we'll pick the average. What did you get?
Not, I know.
I said a 0.
No, I'm saying like if you said 1, she said 3, and I said 0.
So
2. in the middle.
Yeah. These are Maui style onion potato chips.
let's see what tastes like onions.
Yeah, because Funyuns are the onion chips. So.
They smell like sour cream and onion chips, and they look like kettle cooked.
They do seem kettle cooked. Maybe that's what Maui style means.
Like there's a humongous taste. It like flowers in taste.
It's like Funyuns.
Oh my god.
No, they like flower in the taste. Like
These are delicious.
I'm giving those.
I think I'm gonna give
A
these a
9.
9. Yeah. These
I had 8,
are
so it's overall 9.
Funyun in potato chip form.
Wow.
So those are the highest rating in this video. Got a couple more snacks here. Popcorn.
Pop that open up, but yeah. It's like Cracker Jacks almost to this part, right?
They taste just like Cracker Jacks.
Show them one up close.
Yeah, show them how it looks.
Well, that's a different one.
The aftertaste is almost better than Cracker Jacks.
These,
I think I'll give those a 10.
those are a 10. Those are
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
And I think we have one more,
We have
3 more,
and then these
4 more. These are Lalu barbecue.
So they're the same flavor
Luau.
as the
Lua.
Hawaiian
Luau.
flavor.
These are luau.
So same brand, just different flavor.
Hopefully, I don't know. Can these be over a 10? Will we go to 11? I don't know.
Barbecue always the one.
It's kind of, what the? Okay, now. You see, these smell really weird. I like the ones in that we have here in
Oh,
Florida.
look, they're sweet and spicy.
Oh, okay.
That's why they taste different.
But if like I saw it at the store, I would rather go for the regular barbecue.
When you're eating it, it doesn't taste spicy, but the aftertaste is spicy.
I give those a 7.
Oh, that's a good. Yeah.
Okay.
These are different. There's only one flavor of this one, and we'll try this one.
Okay.
I don't know what these are. Let me check the thing.
I think these are pineapple.
Let me try the red one.
These are pineapple gummies, and that one is I don't
Maybe
know.
an orange.
They're not on here.
They put it in a bag that could technically fit too.
Show them this one.
And then we got this orange one.
These are pineapple ones.
Yeah. And how do you get this open?
I think we just gotta flip it, kind of.
Baby. Baby, right.
Okay, we got 6 minutes left on the camera.
We got what?
6 minutes left on the camera because I have to clear I have to clear some of my videos. Got it. And the sour?
The longest part of the video.
It's like a Sour Patch Kid, but
I
it's a little sour.
don't know about these. There's a sweet taste. I don't want to try that one. Good.
That one's not bad.
When do you rate that one?
This one's not bad.
I don't want that one. A 7.
Bro, I give it out a 6.
Okay, then what do you have to say?
I'll say like 6.5.
Okay, 6.
No, we'll stay 6.
These are high chew, which we do have.
I'm looking forward to those.
We have high chew.
But not that flavor.
It's a Kai.
That's like ice cream.
Kai berry.
It's probably an ice cream flavor. I have to open these. And I think that's the last. No, we have one other snack down here. Once we're done with those.
You might want to try that one first, since you have to chew this one like
Okay.
This one doesn't. Oh yeah.
So these are plum candy. So here we go.
They have there's a plum pit in the middle of it.
It smells kind of bad. It's really sticky.
You're supposed to show them the plum pit in the middle.
I'll just put a picture right here. Yeah, there's a picture. You know, Dorian, when you edit the video, put a picture. Pretty good. The middle kind of says weird.
So there's a pit in it.
It's the plum pit.
No, I do not like the plum
You
pit.
can show them.
That's one you can show.
You want me to open it? Or just...
You want to?
Yeah, you can open it.
Or, there, right there. And it's not very good. I like the outside. And then try to... Yeah, I'll give that a 5.
I'd agree with that. Show them the...
So overall, the chips are the best thing here. The onion chips are the best thing here so far. We don't know. These might be better. And there's a white inside.
I don't know. I thought it was gum.
Oh, these are a 10.
Bro, this might be our 11.
This is 11. This is the best one.
I agree. Yeah, I agree. These are the best things.
Okay. There we have it, guys. We might have another one of these next month. Well, hopefully we do. Hopefully I'll make a video on this.
Every month.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe. It's totally free. The merch will be in the link in the description. Buy your merch, guys. Once we have 14 good sales, then we're gonna get paid some money. So, thank you guys so much, and we love you guys all. Bye.
This